Hi guys, it's 10 a.m. in Tokyo and I'm having this delicious soba noodle salad for brunch. Before showing you how to make this, Japanese mom's morning is not as peaceful as you see so far, so let's rewind and take a look at the reality. Wake up at 6 a.m., prepare breakfast and a bento box while getting kids ready for school. At 8 a.m., the rest of my family leave home. Then I will clean up the house, do the laundry for 30 minutes. After all the housework is done, until 10 a.m., I get some work done or sometimes editing videos or responding to the email according to the to-do list I make the night before. Here I am having a nice brunch just by myself after this exciting hustle morning. Let me show you how I made this soba noodle. First, boil the water and cook soba noodles according to the package instructions. In the meantime, we chop veggies. My go-to is some type of leafy greens or fresh herbs, avocado, carrot, cucumber, and tomatoes. But honestly, whatever sitting in my fridge does work since the dressing goes with pretty much any kind of vegetables. To the blender, in goes 2 cloves of garlic and a couple slices of ginger. If you are sensitive to the heat, please add less. Sugar for the balance. If the apple is very sweet, you can reduce the amount of sugar to 1 teaspoon. It's just for the balance. 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil, and lastly, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Give it a whirl. I already showed you this recipe in a previous video and I added tomato and toasted sesame seeds that time, but for this time, I didn't since I'm adding 2 of them as a topping of soba noodle. As always, all the recipe including measurement will be listed on my blog. The link is in the description box below. When the soba noodle is ready, drain and rinse under the faucet to remove the stickiness. Into the bowl, add all the vegetables, soba noodle and tofu for some protein. Alternatively, you can add any beans if you prefer. Toss it to combine. Did I tell you this recipe has been my summer obsession? Since it's getting cold here in Tokyo, my body doesn't crave for that much, but still, it is so good. I also had a leftover carrot onion miso soup to cuddle myself. I highly recommend you to try this. Alright, for snack, I got some oatmeal cookie which I made yesterday with my kids. If you guys need the recipe, let me know in the comment section below, and with some coffee. A couple weeks ago, my family went to the food market. It's called Ameyoko in Japanese, and that located in the Ueno area. It's near Tokyo Station. And there is a street food and beautiful ponds, parks, museums. It's just a great place to chill out, walk around, or like just hang out in the area. So I thought it'd be nice to share with you guys, especially if you're planning to come to Japan in the future. So let me show you how the places look like. これ食べたい？すごいね、いっぱい。この屋台の感じはすごい。これ何？あ、でもこれPreserved duck egg。リサーチせーの？卵だけど腐んないってこと？知ってる？松茸。松茸ってすごい美味しいんだけどすごい高いね。 すごい。でか大きいこれ。こっちもこっちも。これでさなんか3400円どうなんだろう。なんかよくわかんないね。高いのか安いのかわからない。安いのか。すごい。美味しい。なんか音楽弾いてる人いる。踊ってんの？ゴー！2回押さないで、2回押さないで。下に下に行きますやってるから。よーし、着いた。デラって何？いつも何言ってるかわかんない。なんて言ったの本当に。
でかって
でかって言ったのか。ここに来たの久しぶりだから子供たちはすごい楽しそうです。上野駅にいました。Hi guys! It's already 3 p.m. so it's time to prep the dinner. And today I'm going to make a oyakodon. It's a very popular dish. It's originally made with some eggs and chicken and seasoned. Okay, so please allow me to speak in Japanese. I took like 4 takes and still cannot speak in English. So, switching to Japanese. そう今夜の夕食は、親子丼を作ります。で親子丼は、卵とお肉チキンで作ったなんでだし甘辛だしの中に漬け込んだ料理した日本語でもうまく喋れないや料理したものなんですけど大体ご飯の上に乗っかっているんですけど今日はビーガンなので、お豆腐とお野菜で作っていきます。じゃあまた。Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. Hello, Ramona. I mistook you for the engine road. I guess you always seem to know. Hello, Ramona. I push back the serious. ねえねえなんかみんなお願いしてもいい？やだ？出たもうちょっとぐらいいいじゃん。この上にさ海苔さパラパラして。わあすごい量だ。ちょっと待ってそんなにいっぱいは多い多い。1個半分ずつでいいよ。さあ半分にまずして。それをパラパラお願いします。
ほら半分やったよ。
お上手。上手に半分にできた。じゃあそのもう半分はさお兄ちゃんがあればいいから。あ上手ありがとう。いいねいいね。上手。
いいドアハン。
あクマさんパンダみたいクマさん。すごい。どんなこと？食べてんの？ちょっといただきますしてからにして。 This is what we have. やめてお願い。取らして。Thank you. So this is the vegan version of oyakodon. ちょっとお願い。And also the miso soup. And spinach salad. This is so hard to film with kids. But anyway, we're gonna dig in now. せーの、いただきます。はい。味どう？ I think that's it for today, and thank you very much for your kind word for what I eat in the day video in the last time. No, また again?
Yes.
Anyway, I think that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed it. じゃあね、また言える？
Bye.
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 ねえ、ご飯で遊んじゃダメです。本当にやめて。ねえ、ダメ。ねえ、牛乳ブクブクはダメ。ねえ、ご飯で遊ばないで。